Hello! Hello! Go, 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 go. Direct to the left lane, Subaru! What are you doing? Make up your mind! Toyo turd! And Cadillac direct to the left lane! Hey, you guys Volvo. Oh, you're not gonna stop, are you? No. Pull up to the center, dum-dum. We're not gonna get the arrow if you don't pull up to the sensor. You're in the red light. See, you don't pull up to the sensor, we don't get the green light. And you go straight from the turn lane. Ugh, the fudgy buggies. No, it's a one-lane road. Because Lexus. No, you're supposed to stop, Lexus, and you're an idiot too, so. That's it. Everybody stopped. A miracle. Miracle. Everybody stopped. Except her. Off his butt. See, if I was going Route 1, I could see him fly up. Yeah. Haha, thank you. That's not a parking space. From the handicap ramp, in the crosswalk, and in the bus stop. Jesus Christ, douchebag. Pay attention to your driver, not the phone. Shit. Yeah, he's gonna run it. Yeah, that's very much a run. Yeah, no trucks or buses. You ain't supposed to be here, dude. Go away. Get lost. You don't need a mask on, dude. You don't. I realize we have a stupid new order from the governor that requires it outdoors, but really, you don't need it while you're riding a bike. Can we call that next time? Oh boy. If you'd let me get out of the fucking way, you moron. Had my blinker on, thank you. Shit. Crosswalk, try looking. I guess we have nothing better to do. Nice yield, Honda. Oh god. Oh my god, a Toyota. Stop. did a full fucking stop. Jesus. So much for that, huh? Stop, thank. Action, towing, and collision. It's not the kind of action I want. Don't be stopped because Toyota. Yeah. Walmart dive. I'm. Fuck you! Fuck you! Boy, you really taught me a lesson, huh? That's right. Toyota directed left lane because no reason whatsoever. Is that a yield or a stop? Oh shit. Okay. No turn on red! That was an asshole move. How's your driving? Shitty. Hey, that's not a turn, ass face. Because Toyota. Red light runner. Good move, Saturn. Jump in front of a freaking bus. Hey! Oh, Jesus Christ, douchebag. Asshole. Double asshole. Because Toyota. Tesla exit dive. Exit regret, ride van, duh. I've been sitting here this friggin' long and now you decide to, Moron! Go! Go friggin' day. And yeah. Piggyback.